And this is going to be your way of getting floor plans onto your listings. So how are we going to be able to do that? What are the materials that are going to be created once we have the scan done? How can we use this as marketing? So there's a lot of cool stuff that we're going to cover today. There is a QR code that's on the screen right now. You should be able to see it. And Amber is going to be putting in the chat here in a second the link as well. That way you can access it. So if you scan that, you can download the app. We'll get into how this is going to work here in just a minute. But it's pretty simple. And actually, I learned this the other day, Alicia. I don't know if you know this, but if you take a picture of the QR code and you press your thumb on the photo in your phone, it'll actually open the link. I just learned that a couple of weeks ago, and
Thank you
this is
for
new
sharing
information for
that.
me.
I did not know that.
Yeah, so for
Good
whatever
to
reason, it's
know.
not scanning for you. It's just take a photo. You can do it later. It's all right. So, all right. So I'm gonna put this up again a little bit later on today, or excuse me, at the end of the presentation, and if you haven't done it already. So we're going to get started. Now, there are three things that clients want to see when they're looking for a listing, when they're in the market. They want to see photos. They want to see property data, right? They want to see bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, that sort of thing. And then they want to see the floor plan. Those are the three things. Now, those first two, the photos and the property data, those are about the listing. I want to see what this place is about. The floor plan really helps people get that reference point to see how does my life fit into this listing. So we're going to be taking a look at how do we able to use this as that reference point when they're looking at these different listings. Now we do have a few stats that are in here as well. Now some of these are unsurprising, right? Like 85% of people say that floor plans are extremely valuable. I think everybody wants to see one, but 8 out of 10 people say that it's extremely valuable when we're looking at listings. Also, you're 87% more likely to go and view a listing if there's a floor plan on it. So if there's a serious buyer out there that wants to see one of your listings, or if you're working with the buyer, they're actually more likely to go and see it if there's a floor plan on that listing. Now, this is another one that's unsurprising. 95% of people want to see room dimensions. That's important, right? If I've got the big mahogany desk, I need to know that that's going to fit inside of the place that's going to be my office, right? In fact, you can probably see it behind me here. This bookcase right here. My dad built this when he was 15 years old in woodshop class. That's true. This thing has been it's 55 years old and it has been in every place that I've ever lived. So I need to know that this is going to fit inside of my office here. So that's just something that people want to see. This last one kind of blew my mind here. 93% of people believe that agents who include floor plans are better at their job. That's a wild stat, right? Now, we've all heard that clients, they're looking for somebody that they know, like, and trust, right? That's just the expression we've all heard. I didn't think that floor plans were going to move the needle on that, but 93% of people say that it does. So consumers, they want to see these floor plans. They want to be able to get that reference point. How am I going to fit into this home? How far away is the barbecue in the backyard from the nearest bathroom? How am I going to be able to see my kids playing in the front yard? So this helps them visualize that. And there actually are some tools that are going to help them do that that you generate from that scan. So there we can add a floor plan on every listing. And in fact, we were talking to an agent, I think it was about 3 weeks ago, and he was saying he put this into his workflow and it actually helps him convert leads. And it's one of those things where it's one of those psychology tricks. So the first time that he meets with somebody, and I think you guys know this too, it's about 3 or 4 minutes of talking to somebody and you decide whether or not this is somebody you want to work with. It's really fast when we decide, just starting to feel somebody out. And so what he does is that first time that he meets them, he'll do the scan and they'll walk with him. They go and do it. We'll show you what that scan looks like in a second, but he'll do the scan of the place, of the listing, and it'll generate a floor plan. And there's a free version of this, and you'll see that in a minute too. But so he just gives them the floor plan. So it's delivered within 24 hours. Hey, let me get this scan. I'll give you the free version of the floor plan. If we want to use the upgraded version or some of the marketing materials, we can cross that bridge when we get there. But now, when they're interviewing all those other agents, what's something that nobody else has done? Any work for them yet or given them this floor plan. It only takes 3 minutes to do that. And it's part of the conversation you were already having. So this is one of those things that helps him convert those leads as he's going through that conversation with them. So this is going to appeal to those buyers. There's going to be things that they can remember that listing with. It'll help you generate and convert those leads. So it is actually really cool to see this. So here's how it works. Here's how this is what we expect from you guys. So what is CubiCasa? It's an app that sits on your phone, and there is a desktop version of this as well where you can manage the actual scans. But the app is going to sit on your phone, and if you can hold your phone in front of your body for 5 minutes, then you can create these floor plans. It is actually that simple. So it's going to create these really accurate floor plans using the technology that's already on your cell phone. In fact, here's how it works. This is what we expect from you guys. This is Oppie. He's on our team. You walk around your home and you just walk into each room. That's it. That is all we expect. And you can see there's furniture in this home, there's stuff on the floors, there's all of that stuff. As long as you can see the walls, it's going to be able to create that floor plan. So when I did my first scan, I was thinking, okay, well, I have three little kids, there's stuff everywhere. Like, is this actually going to work the way I think it will? And it works exactly how you think it does. So this is how it builds the floor plan. So even if there is furniture, even if there is, if you are walking to the house of a hoarder, it's one of those things. As long as you can see the walls, it's going to create these floor plans. So what you're looking at now is how it works. So in the top left, that's what you see. In the bottom left, that's what your phone sees. And on the right, it's building the floor plan. So as you walk through this home, you only ever have to scan each wall once, and it's going to build that floor plan as you walk through that home. So it's one continuous scan, and you'll see that's how it's working now. And this is obviously sped up too. You don't have to sprint through the house. This is actually, I think it's double speed. But you walk through the home, you catch each wall, and then it builds that floor plan for you. So that's how the technology side of this works. Now let's take a look. There's 3 easy steps in getting started. The first, sign into the app. So that's it. So you start the scan, you sign in, you click scan. It's going to ask you a couple of questions like what's the address? What type of home is it? It'll give you some pointers as well. So here's what you should do. Here's what you should stay away from, any of those things. So it's really simple to get started. Just step one, sign into the app. Step two, scan the property. So it is one continuous scan as you go through this home. And you'll hear us say this a couple times, but if there's multiple levels, it's bottom to top or top to bottom, which means you do the entire bottom floor, go up the stairs, and it's the entire top floor. But that's how it would work. And then step 3 is you choose your products. So what is it that we're looking for? There is a light version of this where you just get a floor plan. There's a plus version that has an upgraded floor plan and some reports that come with that. There's 3D that's in here. That's really cool. But all of that is generated from this 5-minute scan that you do. So even if you only have 5 minutes, you can do the scan and you can always pick those products later. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like when you're doing the scan. So this is Tammy. She's on our team. So she just did the whole bottom floor. So it was bottom to top as she's going. So she did the whole bottom floor. She's now walking up the stairs. You'll see her phone camera show up on the left here in just a minute. And this is what it's going to look like. See that green grid? That's what it's going to look like. And you just saw too close. I'll explain that in a minute too. But as it's going through, you're going to see that green grid grow and it's going to continue. That means that that portion is scanned. So it's now built into that floor plan. So you'll see that. Now, occasionally it will say something like too close. That's okay. It says that in every single scan. So when you do that, a lot of times it's when you're walking through doorways. If that happens, you don't have to start over. It just means that you're currently too close to scan that particular wall. But when she turned around and walked out of the door, you could see that it did get that portion of the door. So it's okay. That shows up in every single scan. It's all right. It's something that happens. Now, there are going to be places that are too small to walk into. Like, for example, there's going to be a closet here on the right. So if that's too small, if there's a bathroom that you don't want to walk into, that's okay. You can lean in like you can see she's doing now. Just make sure you scan each of those walls. Now we're too close to this one, but that's okay. We backed off a little bit, and it's going to complete that scan. So that's how that works, is you just walk around the home, your phone in front of your body, and it's going to create that floor plan for you. Now, one of the funny things that we heard was there was an appraiser who went to a home and every room were concentric circles. And it was one of those, he saw the home, got back in his truck and left. He's like, that's way too hard. I'm not going to do that. So what's great about CubiCasa is it doesn't matter what shape the home is. Since you're doing a scan of it, it's okay. So if it is all circles, you can see there's a circle here, there's square rooms, there's the kidney bean shaped pool, the circular hot tub, the pool house that's out here. All of that gets included because, again, it's one continuous scan, but you did that whole thing and it's okay. It doesn't matter what shape that home is. You can scan any property type that it is. All right. That's it. That's all it takes to get this scan. So what we just described was 5 minutes. You walk through a home, you hold the phone in front of your body, and you are able to get that scan. Once you have that, you can get any of these floor plan packages. They all come from that initial scan, and you don't have to repeat it. So even if you want to go back and get something upgraded, that's okay. It's already in there. You don't have to do it again. Okay, so that's how we get the scan. So let's talk about what you get out of this. So there are just some different floor plan packages. So there is the light floor plan that's completely free. If you just want a simple floor plan for your clients, you can do a 5 minute scan, get a free floor plan. It's that simple. Then there is the plus. There's upgraded in here, and that comes with a few different reports. So you can see some things that we can use for our marketing materials, and we'll talk about those in a minute here. But you are also MLS Listings is providing you guys with a discount as well. So you can see it's 13.50 for the plus, and then for the 3D, it is 58.50. So what's great about this is like we just described in the beginning, when you do that scan, let's say it's not staged yet, or it's too early in the process when you did that scan. If you do want to have a 3D floor plan or a three-dimensional walkthrough because you're working with people that are relocating and they can't come out and see it, that can be digitally staged as well. So we'll talk a little bit more about that in a second. But what I want to show you about the floor plan packages is that this is not a monthly fee. It's per scan. So let's say you have 3 scans in 1 month and then you don't have another for a couple of months. It's not going to bill you in those months you're not using it. It is per package. So let's say the first one you just need a simple floor plan. You use light, it's $0. The let's say the next one's a luxury listing or it's somebody that's relocating and we want to pull out all the stops, you can use the 3D. So it is per scan. All right. So let's take a look at what you get in each of these. So the light floor plan, it's just a simple floor plan. So it's black and white. It'll show you the room dimensions. It'll have the room labels in there. 24-hour delivery time, and it covers up to 5,000 square feet, which 5,000 square feet's a lot. That's a pretty big house. So that is what comes with our light floor plan, and it's free. All right, next is the Plus floor plan, and this is our most common product because it's got color in there. Your eyes are a little bit more drawn to that color. It does have those permanent fixtures in there, so things like tubs and sinks and which direction the doors are swinging and all that stuff in here. But let me tell you, if I'm looking for a listing, this right here, this is the first thing my wife is looking for. It's that kitchen island, right? So I can see that in the floor plan. It's in there. So, I married an Italian woman. That's going to be her chef's table, right? So that's what she's going to be looking at. Before she sees bedrooms or bathrooms or square footage, she can see that inside of the floor plan. And then we can match that with our photography, which we'll show you in a sec how we can do that with both of these. It's actually really cool. But that's the elevated floor plan. There's a little bit more detail in here. There's color in here and all that stuff. And you get these 3 reports when you use that plus floor plan. So the first is the CubiCasa tour. And this is my favorite thing that we have in here. And that's because I get to use this for marketing my business. So what it does is it takes the photography that I have of that listing and it pairs it with the floor plan. So I can see the perspective of each one of those pictures. So if I have a picture from the living room, can I see my kids playing in the backyard? What is that chef's table going to look like? All of that stuff that's going to be in there. Now, I know what you're thinking is that trying to map all of those photos onto this floor plan would be a huge pain. You actually don't have to do that. You just take the photos, you upload them into the system, and it'll put them on the floor plan automatically. So you actually don't have to touch it. And then it creates this link for you. So this URL, and then you can put that anywhere that a URL goes, right? So I can put that on socials. I can put that in my newsletters. I can put that anywhere. So if you want to market this listing, or if you want to generate some new leads that says, hey, this is a home I just sold, if you're in the market, let me know. So any of those different things we want to use for marketing materials, you can use this for that. All right. So there is also 2 other reports. There's the home report, which shows all of the different aspects of a listing. So the different rooms, what's in them. Like, for example, the bathrooms. Is it a full bathroom? Is it just a sink and a toilet? What's in there? So this is something that I can put in that CMA that my clients can see. Okay, this is a breakdown of what is that listing. And then there's the snapshot. And I love this because this is something I can hand to a buyer. So this has photos of all of the different appliances. Let's say it's, any of the appliances inside or the breaker box or the air conditioning unit. And it maps it on the floor plan. So if you have one of these listings and you want to give something to one of the buyers and say, hey, you know what? I know Buyers, most of them can't remember past the last three listings that they've seen, right? But this is a way that I can give this to them. Hey, here, take a look. Remember, this is the place that you were interested. So if there are any of those interested parties, this is something I can actually give to them as we're going through working with all of those people. Okay, so we do have a couple of add-ons in here. So there is that 3D floor plan or there is that three-dimensional walkthrough. Like I said, we can digitally stage that. So if you do the scan and it's before it's staged, now you don't have to use that. If it is staged, it looks beautiful. You can make sure that that 3D walkthrough or the 3D floor plan is exactly the way it is in the home currently. But you can do that. There is also CAD files for any of you appraisers out there. So if you do need a CAD file, we have those in here as well. There is also the 6 hour turnaround time. So if for whatever reason you do a scan first thing in the morning and you're like, I actually need this by lunchtime, that's okay. We can do that for you. You can get priority. So we do have a 6 hour turnaround time. Typical is around a day. It's 24 hours. That's not long, but if you do need priority, we can have that for you. Okay. Let's talk about what to do with the floor plans once we get them. So it does come in JPEG, PNG, SVG, or PDF files. All the reports are PDFs, so they're printable files, but they can be downloaded. And why that's important is because that means that you can upload these as one of the photos in the carousel. So it's much more likely that somebody's going to see the floor plan if it's in the carousel. Sometimes there's a floor plan button on there, and it's great to have that as well. But you can put this where people are most likely to see it. So you can input this wherever you like. All right. And now we do have a photographer network as well. So there are photographers all across the country, but this is specifically for you guys. So if you scan that QR code, if you want somebody to come and do the photography, but also provide these CubiCasa services, you don't want to do the scan, you're a high producing agent, maybe you just don't have time for whatever reason, you can have them do it as well. So they can do that scan for you. And there is that whole marketplace of people. So you'll be able to see that. It is branded for you guys. But if you scan that QR code, you can access the network of photographers that can do that. Now, like I said, it is so simple to do this. Anybody can do it. But if you want to have a photographer do it, you can obviously access that network and find somebody in your area that'll do it for you. Okay, 24/7 customer support. Um, we do have a global team and we want 24/7 support because we know that real estate doesn't happen Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. It does, but it's also, mornings and nights and weekends and any time of day. So when you are working on anything in CubiCasa, we do have a global team that will be able to help you out. So if you run into any issues during your time or if you need some help with something, the response time is usually just a couple of minutes. And it's not a robot either. It's a real person. There is an actual person that will answer your message. Okay, so what are the next steps? Now, I realize we're already at next steps, and this wasn't a long presentation, but that's because this is so simple to use. It does work exactly how you think it does. If you hold your phone in front of you, you do the 5-minute scan, you can access any of those products that we just talked about. The light floor plan, the plus, the 3D, all of that is generated from that original scan. So it is very simple. So what I'd encourage you to do now is download the app, give it a shot, so sign in, and then do the 5-minute scan. So if you have a listing, go ahead and try it out. Or if you want to try it out in your own home, that's actually the best place to start just to see what it's like. Do that scan and you could do it in your own home. And for everybody that's signing in for the first time, we give you a free plus credit. So you'll be able to see what the elevated floor plan looks like, what those reports look like, all of that stuff that's going to be in there. So if you want to give it a shot and see what that looks like, I would encourage you to do that. So go ahead and sign in, do the 5-minute scan on your own home really quickly, and then you get to see that floor plan and what all of those products look like. Whew. Okay. That is our presentation. So it is very simple to use. If there's any questions, let us know. I put the QR code up again in case you want to take a picture of that or download the app, but here it is.
Get started with MLS Listings on-demand training videos. From the Pro homepage, click on the training option at the top of the page. From there, choose from a range of videos covering the fundamentals of Matrix, listing management, and CMAs. Click on the View More option to access even more videos and explore all the resources, tools, and strategies available to you.
And don't forget to click that subscribe button on our MLS Listings YouTube page.